One of the first concerns when the space shuttle blew up was the potential pollution plume from rocket fuel. It could have been an environmental disaster. The response came from a one-of-a-kind airplane based in Waxahachie. Channel 8's environmental reporter Don Wall and photographer Doug Burgess flew with the mission.
About 9 o'clock, I got a phone call.
The space shuttle Columbia had just broken apart,
Wanting to know whether the aircraft was ready and could we deploy it. And we indicated that we were ready.
This EPA plane loaded with sophisticated sensors got airborne as quickly as possible.
Our initial mission was to determine whether or not any chemicals had been released from the shuttle that could have posed a threat to the public.
We're, specifically looking for the chemicals that are in rocket fuel.
Monomethylhydrazine, nitrogen tetroxide.
It's highly toxic.
Could any of this material survive the breakup, and could it impact anyone in the area?
To have it drift down onto a populated area could be dangerous.
The mission is called ASPECT, Airborne Spectral Photographic Environmental Collection Technology.
We flew at about 18,000 feet to look for any evidence of rocket fuel drifting down in the atmosphere.
Yeah, who's the target again, intended target? That on?
The state-of-the-art hyperspectral imaging was developed by the Army to detect chemical weapons on a battlefield. Now the EPA uses it to respond to emergencies. Chemical for now, biological in the future. Infrared technology detects a pollution plume, toxic chemicals from a factory explosion, a train derailment, or the breakup of the space shuttle Columbia.
And the whole idea behind having an aircraft with sensors like this is to be able to detect, identify, and then relay information about chemical releases and chemical gases.
The plane's sensors surveyed the debris field from Dallas to Louisiana and detected no toxic plume from Columbia, critical information for recovery crews in East Texas. The plane continued to fly, taking digital photographs of large pieces of debris, and transmitted that information to the ground.
When something happens, we can get it into the air quickly, we can go collect data, and then we can hand it over to where it can be instantly used.
It helps the emergency response people on the ground make better decisions.
ASPECT proved to be a valuable first response tool during the shuttle disaster. It may play a bigger role in Homeland Security. Don Wall, Channel 8 News.
And the sophisticated equipment on board the ASPECT plane is being fine-tuned to continue aiding in the ongoing search for shuttle debris.